In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add audio visualizers to your videos in Camtasia 2023. Now, this is a new feature and it's available in the latest version of Camtasia 2023.2.0, and this is for Windows, and I do believe it's also available as a new feature on Mac. So, audio visualizers. So it's more or less on content creators, podcasters, musicians, vloggers, and just about anyone that wants to add some flair to their context or to their projects. Now, the new audio visualizer bring voice, music, and sound effects to life, because obviously when a visualizer is added, it actually goes with what is being said. Now, so what happens is you can synthesize your audio tracks with dynamic graphics that excite and engage your viewers more than ever before. So it's really simple, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Now, I'm inside Camtasia 2023. Now, this is just a simple recording. Now, normally what I do for my video edits is I'll get this particular recording and then just move it up slightly. Once I do that, I come to the annotations, get this bold circle, and then make sure it's a little bit something like this size, something of that sort. So once I have it there, use the arrow keys to kind of position it where I want it to be, move it to the end. I just want to create a circular mask for that. I just add some alpha, looks good. Combine the layers, and then let's remove the alpha track matte mode by clicking on none, and then we have this particular video. So what I can do is I do a simple crop here and another one right about there. So there we have it, and now we go back to this cursor mode. So I'd like to add a circular visual or visualizer effect. So I'll go to my library here, and then the audio visualizer folder is available here under Camtasia 2023. So I'll click on it, and there are three types of visualizers you can add: audio bars, audio ring, or audio wave at the time of recording this video. So I'll go with the audio ring right there, and you can already see what it looks like. If you just move it around, you see it fits into kind of your project. So you can just bring this down slightly and then just try and position it to fit your selection the way you want it to be. So I can just move it with the arrow keys, and something else, you can click on properties so you can see the properties for this. So if you scroll down slightly, you'll see the dynamic properties. So you can change the color to whatever you want. That looks much better. The count you can reduce or just make it a little bit more. The bar width, you can make it a little bit smaller. The bar height, the hue shift, all these type of things are available right in here. The radius, the mirror X, you can reduce this, you can make it a little bit bigger, but let's leave it as it was by resetting, and then we can just try and see what it looks like. So let's just drag it out slightly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your Riverside.fm recordings in the script storyboard. It looks really good. Something I'd like to give it to them is that they're now pushing out more updates of these fancy features that can really spice up your content, especially if you're a podcaster and you want to repurpose kind of podcast. It's super simple. Now that's the audio ring. The audio bars look like this, and I'll just drag this. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well. So you can see what they look like, and you can obviously just also change all these settings right about here to whatever you want. Really depends. The roundness, you can reduce the bar height as well, the bar width to be a little bit smaller, the count, you can actually make them more if you're doing a video on music or something. And then the frequency, you can either reduce or increase the minimum frequency. You also have those things right about there. So if you actually play this. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your Riverside. It look really good. And then we've got the audio wave. So let's add this as well. So this is what the audio wave looks like if I play it. FM recordings. So normally for the audio wave, you probably want it to be somewhere up here or even down. But it seems like it's going up too much. Let's reduce that height slightly. In the script storyboard. That looks better. and some feathering, reduce it.
Welcome to this video.
Looks good. And then the samples.
My name is David, and
how much it actually goes through the samples.
Well, wherever you
the kind of waves that go up and down and so on and so forth. But simply put, this is a great addition to Camtasia 2023. Having the possibility to add visualizer effects to a composition or to a project will really speed up some workflow, because people had to use workarounds in After Effects. But all you need to do now is just drag and drop, tweak some few dynamic properties here and there, and you're good to go. So there we have it. That is how you can add a visualizer effect to your videos in Camtasia 2023. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.